This cat pushed a tall ladder, and right below there was a woman busy doing her laundry. The dog saw what the cat did, and just before the ladder could fall on the woman, the dog did something no one expected. I'll show you.
But first, if you love kittens, tap like with a smile. If you're a dog lover too, hit that happy subscribe button. And if you love both, comment a heart and share the joy with a friend.
Here's what happened next. The dog quickly pushed the woman away, saving her from being hit. She was shocked at first, but then realized the dog just saved her life. And in that moment, this ordinary dog became her unexpected hero.